our planet, far from human eyes, there exists a creature that even the bravest scientists refuse to approach without trembling hands. A spider so massive, so powerful, and so mysterious that its very presence challenges our understanding of evolution. Many call it a nightmare. Others call it a miracle of nature. But today, we uncover the truth about the giant spider that terrifies scientists. Our story begins in the dense, humid, and untouched forests of South America. A team of biologists from a wildlife research institute was on a routine expedition. Their goal was simple: catalog new species of insects and amphibians. But what they found was something entirely unexpected. While walking along an old moss-covered trail, a loud rustling sound came from the bushes. Everyone froze. The team thought it might be a small mammal, but when the leaves parted, a giant spider stepped out, almost the size of a dinner plate. Its legs were long and muscular, covered with thousands of sensory hairs. Its fangs, strong enough to pierce through skin, glimmered under the dim light. This terrifying creature was the legendary Goliath bird-eater, the largest spider on Earth. But this wasn't an ordinary Goliath bird-eater. This one was bigger, heavier, and far more aggressive than any recorded specimen. Scientists had documented Goliaths before, but this giant was different. And it wasn't alone. For years, local tribes had whispered stories about monstrous spiders living deep in the jungle. Spiders capable of hunting birds, rodents, and even snakes. But most researchers believed these stories were exaggerations. That changed the moment the team saw the creature with their own eyes. The spider raised its legs, producing a loud hissing sound, a threat display that warned anyone nearby to step back. One researcher later described the moment as feeling like, but the mystery only deepened. As the team observed the area, they discovered massive burrows, large enough for a human fist to fit inside. These burrows belonged to the giant spiders, and their tunnels extended more than 2 meters underground. Inside, the spiders ambushed their prey with extreme precision. Using vibrations in the soil, they could detect the heartbeat of a moving animal. Then, with explosive speed, they attacked. What shocked scientists most was the spider's venom. While not instantly deadly to humans, its venom contained compounds powerful enough to paralyze vertebrates bigger than itself. Some researchers believe that these spiders evolved this venom to hunt larger animals in the forest, giving them an advantage in the competitive world of predators. But the fear doesn't come only from their size or venom. It comes from their behavior. Unlike most spiders that avoid humans, these giants showed unusual levels of boldness. During nighttime surveys, they approached camp areas, attracted by the movement and heat of equipment. Footage from the expedition shows one spider crawling over a researcher's boot, completely unafraid. Scientists now suspect that environmental changes, deforestation, rising temperatures, and shifts in prey availability are pushing these spiders closer to human settlements, making encounters more frequent. Some villages have already reported chickens, pet birds, and even small cats disappearing during the night. Tracks found near the scenes point toward giant spiders. However, these creatures are not villains. They are apex predators of their ecosystems, controlling populations of insects, rodents, and snakes. Without them, jungle ecosystems would collapse. And despite their terrifying reputation, they rarely attack humans unless threatened. Scientists working with jungle tribes are now studying these spiders more closely. Evidence suggests that the giant species may have evolved from a larger ancestor that existed millions of years ago. Fossil records show that prehistoric spiders were enormous, and the giant spiders of today might be their surviving descendants. The question remains, How big can they actually get? Some researchers believe that under the right conditions, a spider could reach up to 40 centimeters in leg span, nearly the size of a steering wheel. And if environmental changes continue, larger individuals may appear in the future. The truth is simple. These spiders are a reminder that nature still holds secrets far beyond our imagination. They are living evidence that evolution is not finished. They are survivors of an ancient world, a world where giant predators ruled both the ground and the trees. So the next time you hear a rustling sound in the forest, or see a dark shape moving silently across the jungle floor, remember this. Somewhere out there lives a creature that terrifies even the smartest scientists. A creature older than our fears and more powerful than our nightmares. The giant spider, nature's silent hunter.